Hello students, today we are inspired by a sunset. We are on the west coast, so if we go to the beach, we get to see the beautiful sun set over the water. There's Portland on the left-hand side of the map, and you can see that very quickly there's ocean to the left. When we see a sunset, it's because the sun is changing its position around the earth, and we can no longer see it as it moves. And so on our paper, we're going to start with some wavy lines. Here's one wavy line going from left to right, and this will be our ocean in the foreground. Another slightly less wavy line shows that the ocean keeps on going, and there's waves further and further back into the distance. And then your last line, your third line, is almost perfectly flat, because as the ocean moves far out away from us, it flattens out in the horizon and we can no longer see the waves. On the back of your sun paper, you're going to do a curved line, and then you're going to cut on that line. That will leave us with a beautiful sun that will be dipping down below our ocean. With some of our white glue, you can try really hard to open the jar, and once you get it open, you can apply some brushes of glue all over the back. It's important to not use too much because we don't want it to squish out the sides like a squishy peanut butter jelly sandwich, but you do have to use enough to keep it sticking down to your other paper. So spread it across the whole piece and then put it on top of your ocean. We're going to hold and press for a long time until it has been there for a very long time. That will make it stick. If you forget to hold down your art, then it will not stick. Our next step is to use a ruler, or you can draw freehand, to draw some glorious rays coming out of your sun. Rays come straight because light travels in a straight line. And I want you to make about 7 or 8 rays. It's important to make them kind of have equal amounts of space between them. Actually, exactly 8 rays. Then you'll get your paint. You're going to get warm colors. Warm colors are colors that remind us of the sun. The first warm color you can use in the center is yellow. And we remembered halfway through that we want to use a painting mat behind our painting so that we can paint all the way to the edge and not have to worry about the table. When you're ready to change colors, you get to pounce your brush in the water, scrape it on the edge of the water, and then blot it with a paper towel. Although our next color is like a light orange. So we're going to paint that on both sides of the yellow. What we're practicing today is getting separate colors into separate spaces. So really pouncing and scraping your brush in the water, and then blotting it on the paper towel is going to help you get those separated colors. Pounce, scrape, blot, and then the next color is going to be the darker orange. The next color is red. And then the last color that you're going to paint all the way down to the horizon line is going to be pink. You'll come back to get your cool colors from Miss Yao. The cool colors you can use are a light oceany green, a blue, and then a purple. It's okay if we can see some brush strokes in your ocean. It'll look more realistic. And that's all for today.